I will be showing you how to speed up your computer, as last night I was sat around doing absolutely nothing as normal, and I thought, how could I speed up my computer? So I went online, looked around on the internet, looked at a few YouTube videos, and found out that I can speed up my computer / laptop by just tweaking a few settings. So by doing these settings, you don't have to like go out and buy a new CPU or graphics card or anything like that. It's just a quick, simple tweak to the settings, and by doing this, it should overall make your computer run faster. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so first of all, what you want to do is you want to go down and select and open up your folders. Once you open your folders, you can see you've got devices and drives. Here I've got 3, but you may have more than 3, you might have 4 or 5, but what you need to do is go to Windows C. It is very important that you click C, because as you can see here, you've got this is your main hard drive by the amount of storage you have compared to the others. What you need to do here is right click and then go down to Properties. Once you go down to Properties, this little Windows Properties thing will open, and on General, and you can see it's got the usage of your drives. So what you need to do is compress this drive to save disk space. Overall, this should just compress all your data to make it smaller and to make, use less memory. Also, once you've done that, click Disk Cleanup. Once you do that, it will scan your computer for any temporary files or duplicates or anything, or complete rubbish, completely useless files that you never use and you never will use. And ideally, it will show you in a big long list. This should take less than 2 minutes for most files, and as you can see here, it loads up this little window. What you need to do is you need to select every single one of these. These are all completely useless and unwanted files you might have, like as you can see here, error memory dumps, you don't need any of that, or recycling bin, what goes in your recycling bin, or for example temporary files which are completely useless. After you do that, you need to click OK. Once you do that, you need to select delete files, and it should just delete all of these temporary files that are completely useless. After you do that, just click apply, and apply changes to drive C only. This is just compressing only files in your C drive, so let's do that. After that, just click OK, and that should have done it, and just click out. That's that. The second one is actually to do with the bottom left hand side of the screen here on the Windows. You need to right click on that and then click Run. Once you click Run, you need to type in ms-config as spelled by here. There you are. Once you do that, click OK. This is going to load up your system configuration window, and you can do a few little setups and tweaks from here. What you want to do is you want to click Boot. Once you click on Boot, you want to go to the bottom, to the right hand side of the window here, and as you can see on your computer, it will not say 5. It will most likely say maybe 15 or 20, depending on your computer, and what you want to do is you want to change it to a lower number. Ideally, you want to change it to 3 or 5. I'm going to stick with 5, being as my computer's not, like a gaming computer, it's actually a laptop. So I'm going to stick with 5, and ideally this is going to make your computer just load up and kind of load everything up and all your applications quicker. For example, it's going to load up your overall computer quicker, and it's going to load up any other applications that you might use, like the internet, quicker, and it should make everything faster. So once you do that, you want to click Apply right here, and then click OK. Once you do that, you might have to click Restart your computer, but yeah. Alright, after you do that, you want to go for the third one. You want to go to the bottom left hand side of the screen again on the Windows tab, right click, and go all the way up to System. After you click System, it's going to load up this. This is your system control panel. Once you do that, you want to click Advanced System Settings. After you click Advanced System Settings, it's going to click open up your properties, and then you need to click Advanced tab. Once you do that, you can see that it says Performance here. It says visual effects, processor, scheduling, memory usage, blah blah blah, other stuff. Click on settings and then go on visual effects. As you can see here, you can adjust everything to the best appearance, to the best performance, or you can actually customize it yourself and tick the different things in. If you want the best performance of your computer, i.e. to make everything run faster, you want to select this one and it should adjust everything to make that faster. If you want the best appearance, that'll make everything crisper, the quality of your picture. But for me, I just like to let Windows do its thing. Windows is good, I like it. After you do that, you click on Advanced. When you click on Advanced, you can see that you can change your processing and scheduling. And I've changed mine from background services to programs. Yours will most likely say background services as well. And what this intentionally does is that it spreads your CPU to your other background services, such as things that you might not be using in the background. But if you click programs, it should make everything run faster, like your games that you're using or the internet that you're mainly using, and it'll put less focus onto the background services that you have in the background, obviously. Once you do that, you need to click apply and then OK. After you do that, just get rid of all this, and that's that. And this overall should make your computer a little bit faster. You might not recognize it, but intentionally it just uses less strain for your computer, less, everything else. CPU does less work. Fantastic. Win-win for everyone. I would like to take no credit for any of these things. I did actually go online and look for these on other people's YouTube channels and YouTube videos. I don't want to take any of this as my own because I didn't, but I thought I'd just make the top 3 things I found on these YouTube videos and put them in here into this video. If you liked it, don't forget to